In RB8, notes making is a serious business. So we give you a lot of powerful tools for you to make, not only make notes, but also later on find those notes in case you forgot where you made those notes. So whether you are working with a job, or client, or resource, or location, case, no matter what you're doing, there are places that you can make a note. It's called notes log. So let's look at one example pertaining to a particular client or law firm. Let's say I'm going to pull up a firm, the new client we just got. So I'm going to find the Yong Lee's office. Law offices of Yong Lee. So I'm going to go into view. Now, every file table you go into, there will be typically it will be the last tab called notes log. So when you click on it, we call it log because every time you make a note entry, it becomes a separate entry into the notes log, and the latest notes will be always displayed at the top. Now let's say I visited this client, showing them our case repository that is available on RB Web, and I like to enter those marketing comments for this client. And all you have to do is simply go click new button up at the top and change the drop down. And again, this is something that you can create in the code manager. But let's say I have something I created called marketing visit, and you will actually put a date that you actually did this. So let's say I was there Monday, and time, and then you can put a notes in there. So you can put in a note there. So I wrote down something about, I gave a RB Web case repository presentation, and then person that I talked to, and so on and so forth. Now this also has a, every note has a spell checker, so you can just click on it, and oops, I misspelled that, so I can correct that, change that, and then save the note. And as you can see, that new note simply goes at the top. Now the good thing about this notes taking in RB8 is that your notes are protected, meaning that once the notes get saved, it cannot be tampered with. First of all, if you right click on the note, you'll notice that there is no option called delete. Once notes are saved, it cannot be deleted, nor it can be modified. Now, only reason that we give you the option called view, it's not for you to edit anything, because as you can see that all the save and close button, everything else is all grayed out. The only thing you can do here is actually copy the text in case you type a long note, or you copy and pasted a part of the email or part of the documents from other sources, and you like to copy that into another note, you can copy and paste. And that is the only reason you can go in here and copy a note area. Now, only you can do if you somehow made a mistake, then you can cancel the note by right-clicking on it and then cancel it. That all it does it'll still retain a note in the file. It'll simply cross out, and it'll also tell you who canceled that particular note. Now, once notes are saved, that if you're looking for a particular note, so let's say you're whether you're a marketing person in your firm or client service person, that you wanted to find all clients you gave a particular presentation on RB Web past 30 days or something like that. So you go to Tools, and there's a function called Notes Finder, and you simply say what area you want search takes place. So for example, I definitely want to search the firm notes, and also contact note, just in case I made a note under each attorney rather than under each firm. So I wasn't really sure, so I can select both, and then go down here and type in what you're looking for. So for example, maybe I can just type in presentation or demo or something like that, and go search for it. Now, I didn't find any notes under contact, so I'm going to go to firm. So there it is. That's the notes I made. So having this notes finding capability allows you to find all the notes that you made in various different areas in the system, including collection notes.